We have HP laptop with a broken hinges. The hinges is start separating from the display. And the customer also brought these two screws that fell off from the laptop. Let's turn on the laptop to make sure that the screen is not damaged. Got HP logo, and the screen is not cracked and is in good condition. Shut it down. Carefully flip the laptop. Open the bottom cover. Let's clean it up a little bit. Remove the battery. And remove the display assembly. There you go. Put this one away. And this is where the problem is. The hinges is coming off from the display assembly. And this is the hinge that came off. One of the screw is also came off, and these two other screws that the customer gave me, these are the screw that is also part of the hinges. There are 3 screws that's supposed to screw this hinge right here into the display assembly, and they are all came off. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mixing up the epoxy. Put a little bit of epoxy on the hinge and good amount of epoxy inside the display assembly. Let's put the hinge back together. Here we go. Push it a little bit. Clean up the excess epoxy. And I'm gonna leave it clamped for 12 to 15 hours. Alright, it's been about 15 hours now. Here we go. Okay, the hinge looks good. Let's close it and open it. And let's turn on the laptop. Got the HP logo. And there you go. The hinge problem is fixed. And the laptop is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.